What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to enable dark mode for your WordPress website front end and WordPress website back end into a simple, fast and effective method for free on 2026. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, go to your WordPress dashboard to access this dashboard on the browser address bar, your domain plus WP admin. Enter with login credentials, review the left sidebar of menus, hover mouse over plugins and hit the submenu Add Plugin. Into the upper right corner of your screen, you're going to be able to find search plugins. You're going to click and type dark mode, just like this. And we have WP Dark Mode, improve accessibility with AI-powered dark theme. Click on Install Now. Click into the Activate button. Now, as you can see, the WordPress dashboard is already on dark mode. Simple, right? Let me just not allow this. Remove this notice. And right here we have a Get Started, Gutenberg, Elementor, and we have Social Share and the settings into submenus. As soon as you activate the plugin, you're gonna be redirected to this welcome page. You can enable front-end dark mode, use system settings, admin panel dark mode. You can use the block editor dark mode, classic editor dark mode, enable admin dashboard dark mode. Let's save changes. Now, as you can see, there is a light and dark option right here, and all of my dashboard is now dark. I love this theme, by the way. It's really fancy, and I think this is better to work. Okay, but if you go to the WordPress front end, you're gonna be able to see into the bottom right corner of your screen a moon icon that you can click to enable the dark mode. And if you go to WP Dark Mode on the WordPress dashboard, go to Settings, you're gonna be able to customize the switch settings, menu switch in the case I want, but this is a pro option. We have the color options in the case that you want. There is some options for free. I like this one, the default one. We have the image settings, the video settings, the site animation, enable page transition animation, fading, pulse, flip, roll, maybe a fading. Let's save change. And let's explore the result we got. As you can see, there is a little effect working now. There is a couple of extra options that you can play with, the advanced options for performance, in the case that you want. You can exclude some settings if you're a pro. You can enter custom CSS. You can enter some accessibility. For example, the keyword shortcut. You can change the switch widget in the case that you want. Add the WP Dark Mode widget to the menu. We're gonna explore this into the tomorrow's video, but you can apply this as well. And that is. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below. Don't forget to check out the visualmodo.com portfolio of amazing WordPress themes, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. All the best!